Welcome friends, thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. Here I am at the Lake Sumter Villages golf cars, and there has been a recall on all our golf cars. We need to get a spring replaced. I will include a copy of the letter, but you can see there is a long line of golf cars waiting to get their springs replaced. These are gas golf cars. They are Yamaha.
Follow me.
And I received a letter in the mail. And I'll show you the letter that I received. This is the letter that shows that I have a recall on my golf car. It's an important safety recall from Yamaha. And I will video this letter. It says, "This notice is sent to you in accordance with the requirements of the Consumer Product Safety Act. Yamaha motor-powered products has decided that a defect which relates to motor vehicle safety exists on the 2016-2018 model and the 2017-2023 model, Drive 2, and that's my model. Our records indicate that you own the effect. The reason for the recall in affected cars: scratches on the hook of the accelerator return spring during the molding process could cause the hook to break under stress when the accelerator pedal is pressed. What to do? Your Yamaha dealer will install a new return spring of a different design. The procedure itself takes 18 minutes per car." So the recall letter, and there's a lot of people driving Yamaha gas golf carts in the villages, and they are in line here at Sumter. There are various times throughout the day and various locations that they're replacing these springs. I'll give you an update as we proceed through this line. They indicated it would be about 1.5 hour wait today. Other days there were 3-hour waits to get the spring replaced. Stay tuned. I'll bring you some more content in a minute. Here I am sitting in a line at Lake Sumter. It's a 1.5 hour wait. You can see there's a long line of golf cars. I am at the Villages golf car. They are repairing the spring on the gas pedal. Right there is the spring. And the gentleman says you have to look through there to determine.
You can park right there. I was showing someone about a clock.
And guess what, friends? My spring needs to be replaced. So now it's a 1.5 hour wait. And they do have a fine young lady right there who is organizing this. And she told me the other day there was a 3-hour wait to get your spring replaced. They have several different scheduled times to meet at various locations throughout the villages. I'm at Lake Sumter, but they have times scheduled that you can go to your local Villages golf car dealer, and they will replace the spring. And here we wait 1.5 hours for the golf cart spring. Here I'm midway through the line. The line seems to be moving fairly quickly. And the first thing they have you do is drive up over there, and they inspect your golf cart to determine if you need a spring. It's the Yamaha spring replacement station. And once they determine if your golf cart needs a spring, and all they do is look at your golf cart, it takes them 10 seconds, and they can determine if you need a spring. Then they send you in line, and you're waiting in line. I'll keep you posted with more updates. Stay tuned, friends. You can see we're getting closer to the repair station, and they have 4 golf carts wide. And you can see that they occasionally will move forward. So far, it's been about 40 minutes since I've been here, and they estimate the time to take will be about 1.5 hours. I'll keep you posted, but the lines are 4 wide, and you can see the golf carts moving up one by one. Stay tuned, friends. And we're getting closer to the line. You can see about 10 more golf carts and I'll be serviced. They have, looks like 2 different people repairing and replacing the springs on these golf carts. And they have 4 lines of golf carts you can see. And each line has, I believe, 2 technicians that are repairing the springs and replacing the springs. And once you get to a point, they actually move the golf carts they push them, they put them in neutral and push them into place. And they have 4 different tents. Stay tuned, friends. I'll bring you more content. Here's a better look of a technician with his seat. He's repairing golf carts. There's 2 technicians in each line.
It's okay. Sit in your golf cart.
They're very accommodating. It's been about 1 hour and 10 minutes so far that I've been waiting in line. Stay tuned. This technician is removing the floor plate in this golf cart right in front of me. He's preparing the golf cart so the technicians in the front of the line can change the spring. Here I'm preparing my golf cart. I removed the rubber floor mat and I put it over there. I believe he's going to take up this side of the golf cart floor panel, and the spring you can see right in there, they're going to replace that spring. Stay tuned. Here the technician is removing the floor panels so he can get at the spring. That is the spring that's going to get replaced. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You along for the ride today?
He said there's a
You know,
covered area that I can stand underneath, shaded area. It's a table full of spring boxes. Look at the new springs, new design on the springs. Thanks for liking it and thanks for subscribing. Feel free to share the videos with anybody you wish. Just stay tuned. I will give you a recap in a minute. We're here at the finish line. It took about 1 hour and 15 minutes to get to this point. There are people over there waiting in line. Oh, there's people over there seated in a shaded area. All the chairs are full though. There's more customers than chairs to be seated. Overall, I think the process was pretty efficient. There's a lot of golf carts in the villages to repair. And I think they handle the traffic pretty well. You can see over here, there is a lot of golf carts yet. There's the seating area, people in the shade. And this is the end of the line. You still have lots of golf carts to go. That is the Barnes & Noble's bookseller store here at Sumter Landing. That is your village's golf car sales here at Sumter Landing. Thanks for liking and subscribing. And these are people exiting with their brand new golf cart springs. And those are people buying new golf cars over there.
Oh my God, that's
Soon my golf car will be ready to go. And I will let you know how it goes and what I think. Stay tuned, friends. There's the brand new spring going into place as we speak, friends. These guys have done a very good job, very efficient at repairing the spring in my 2022 Yamaha Drive 2 gas golf cart. Brand new spring. There you have it. The spring is sprung. Soon I will be able to drive out of here. Take care.
Yes, sir. I'm setting the torque on there,
You're setting the torque on the spring now.
and when I release the box, it's set to it indefinitely.
Do you work for Yamaha or Village?
I work for Stratosphere Quality, and Yamaha hired us out here.
Oh, Yamaha hired you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you said were in Reno, Nevada the other day,
Yes, sir.
repairing golf cars?
Yes, sir. Doing the same thing with the accelerator spring.
Awesome. What happens if the accelerator spring doesn't work properly?
So the old model had a J hook on it, and so there's a very, very small amount that the J hook would undo on it, and the pedal would just stay.
Really?
Which, I mean, you could hit the brake and stop it, or turn your key and stop it, but we wanted to nip it in the bud, you know.
Yeah, so now the spring is sprung, so we're good to go then.
Yes, sir. They're just gonna have to lift up your seat and scan you, put you in the system, and then you'll be good to go.
All right, thanks, bud.
You have a blessed day.
You too. So this man is scanning and identifying that the golf cart has been repaired. So here we are in the golf cart, ready to drive away. So far it works good. So far it works well. I feel much safer that the spring has been repaired. Let's take this thing out for a test drive. Lots of people in Sumter Square today. Accelerator pedal works awesome. I appreciate it. Thank you, Yamaha, for keeping us safe. That's going to finish the video. I hope you enjoy it. Feel free to share it with those you think are interested. Take care, everyone. Have a great day.